How to sync WhatsApp contacts on your iPhone 8 Plus. If your contacts are not appearing in WhatsApp, you can fix it by allowing contact access and refreshing your contact list. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Now, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. This allows WhatsApp to access the contacts saved on your iPhone. Next, open the WhatsApp app. Tap the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. Pull down on the contacts list to refresh it. WhatsApp will automatically sync the contacts stored on your iPhone. If a contact still doesn't appear, make sure their phone number is saved correctly, including the country code, and confirm that they have a WhatsApp account. That's it! Your WhatsApp contacts should now be synced and ready to use on your iPhone 8 Plus. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.